up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to thank y'all, like I always do, for returning. And for those of you who are new, I thank you so very much, and I welcome you here as well. Now, as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be giving y'all my version of my New Year's Eve makeup look. So if you guys would love to see how I achieve this bomb makeup New Year's Eve beat down, just feel free to sit back, relax, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get right into this look. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Dose palette by Juvia's Place. And I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here at the top, Cream. It's like a really pretty, bring it back. So it's like a really pretty, like coral color or whatever. Okay, so now I'm just going to be going in with this shade right here. It's like a purplish pink shade, and it is called Custard. Okay, so next I'm going to be using two different glitters. You can barely see it. Well, you can see that it's like pinkish, clearish, whatever. And this one is silver. So these are like the chunky glitter. Like this is chunky glitter, and this is like the very fine glitter. So what I'm going to be doing is just placing these first. And just to get a few specks of sparkle in there, I'm just going to be, because this one right here somewhat like, well, pretty much matches the eyeshadow. So what I'm going to be doing is just adding just a little bit of these silver sparkles in there just to kind of bling it up a little bit. So yeah, first I'm going to be using this one, and I'll be applying the NYX glitter glue on my lid first. Okay, so now that we have this eye out of the way, well, most of it, I'm gonna do my under eye and everything later, but I think it came out pretty cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye, and then that's when I'll be back. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And yeah, I feel like Lizzo right now. Y'all know how Lizzo loves this big natural voluptuous hair. But anyway, yeah, speaking of this hair, this wig is from premiumlacewigs.com, and I've actually done a review for this unit already. It's just not posted yet because obviously New Year's is now, so I wanted to upload this video first. But definitely stay tuned because within a few days to a week, I'm going to be uploading this wig review. So yeah, thank you guys so much for returning. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I thank you guys. I love you, and I will see you in the next one.